Page 49, Down in the Valley. 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signature. Okay. I'm going to I could take this one hand at a time, but I'm going to try both hands together. And let's see what happens. We're still in middle C position. Hopefully by now you know the names of the notes in the music. The new notes, the B and the C in the music. You should know those by now, because you should already know the other names of the notes here. So we're here and here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. You remember dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. It gets 3 counts. And then both notes together here. And that's tied. Hold it down for 6 counts and then go on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the fourth, it's here, here. It's not so bad because you're using the same fingers in each hand. The hands mirror each other, and they'll do that naturally. So this isn't that bad. Here. So once you're comfortable with the notes and the rhythms, you can try the articulation. That's putting in the phrasing. Here again, each line happens to be a phrase because it's a musical thought. Lift up. So just lift up. So you, like taking a breath. Dynamics, MF, it's mezzo forte, it's sort of loud. Not loud, it's sort of loud. Oh, I don't know, somewhere in there. And then the speed. Well, moderato is somewhere in the middle. Doesn't mean a lot. Just if you're going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? It's the overall feel of the piece. This piece can be interpreted in different ways. You can interpret it like feel it 1, 2, 3, like a waltz, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's a little slower than the previous one. In some cases, when they're really getting happy and they've had a lot of coffee to drink, they may feel it in 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, because remember the first beat of the measure is a natural accent. That may be all they feel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Different ways of interpreting the music. I'm going to slow that down quite a bit. It's more like this, I think. Now keep in mind, at the end of the first line, the melody's in the right hand. That's moderately loud. This should be soft. And in the second line, and the third to the last measure, the quarter notes, the melody's in the right hand. That's moderately loud. This left hand needs to be soft. It needs to be light. Don't play them the same. No, we want to hear the melody. Keep that soft. You're light there. The other parts of the left hand, it's melody. You got to bring them out. So it sounds like one hand played it all, but otherwise, when they're playing together, the left hand needs to be light, soft. Let's play this together slowly to double check the notes. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'm going to do about the same on it. So I'll give us 3 counts because it's in 3/4 time. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off.